What's up, y'all? It's time for the TJRS Minute. Alongside Book, I'm Jay. What's up, Book?
Yo, what's up, yo?
Of course, the big news of the day is the passing of Senator Edward Kennedy. Your thoughts?
Well, yo, man, not only is it a blow towards healthcare reform and a loss in the Congress and the Senate.
Yeah, big loss, you're right.
Big loss for his family, yo.
Yeah, you're right. I was watching something on Good Morning America, and they were talking about, matter of fact, they played a speech from when the guy was trying to get healthcare passed in 1976, a long time. What about the ruling on Michael Jackson's death? Your thoughts on that?
Well, yo, man, everybody thought that was the case, you know what I'm saying, yo?
Yeah.
So, we'll see what happens.
You're right. I think that doctor hung himself by doing the YouTube broadcast, but who knows? You can check the J. Rouse Show out right here on Blog Talk Radio every Saturday from 6 to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or on demand anytime. And of course, you can always check us out on YouTube. For Book, I'm Jay. We'll talk to you. Peace.